remnants of an old church right there. And then is that the old jail? Is that what you said you thought that was? We are in Tuscumbia, Missouri, and we are in a cemetery because we wanted to find Mr. Paul Henning. If you do not know who Paul Henning is, he was, I guess, the writer of many sitcom shows for the Beverly Hillbillies, which was based on the Ozarks in Missouri, down around like the Branson area. He was also writer on Petticoat Junction and Green Acres. Petticoat Junction was based on an area around Eldon, Tuscumbia, and a specific restaurant that's out of Eldon, but I can't remember which restaurant. And I believe, right, this is the wife, Ruth. So
she's the one that's from this area.
She's from this area. He was actually born in Independence, Missouri, and passed away in California, but evidently wanted to be buried out here. I'm going to assume because she passed away first and was buried in Tuscumbia, so he wanted to be probably buried next to his wife. So, but pretty small little cemetery. Tuscumbia is a really small little town in Miller County, Missouri. 218 is the population of Tuscumbia. So we might drive around, see if we can find some more old buildings and stuff, and check out some of the historic, what's left of it. Alright, so there's an old building. That's the grade school from 1938. So that's kind of neat. Looks like they've added on to it, but kept the original. Looks like they're using it for something. Not exactly sure what this building was. It's obviously posted to keep out for good reason, I would say. This is the courthouse. I'm not really for sure if they're still using that as their courthouse. I don't think so, because look at the electric boxes. See, now I know they were using this about 25, 30 years ago, but I'm saying since then they have moved on, because you can see up here at the top of the building, it's all fallen down. The electric things are gone, windows are broke. What a shame. There's the front of that courthouse. It's a cool building. Be fun to like live in. Doesn't say it's for sale or anything, so I don't know if they plan to do anything with it. And it looks like it's probably been sitting empty for a while. And I'm not really for sure what that building is back over there. Oops, I think I just went fuzzy. Yeah, I don't know what that is either, but it's empty too. So there's a little tiny house. You see that bridge off in the distance back over there? That's the Tuscumbia Bridge that goes over the
Osage River.
Osage River.